For our science experiment in chemistry, we are going to be doing an experiment called the bubbly inflator. Instead of using vinegar and baking soda, we are going to be using lemonade and baking soda.
Our hypothesis is that the Sprite will work the same as the vinegar when we do the experiment.
In chemistry, we're going to be doing an experiment called the bubbly inflator. We'll put some lemonade and some baking soda in a bottle with a balloon attached over the top. We're going to see if the force is strong enough to blow up the balloon. For this experiment, we will need a plastic plate, a spoon, a bottle, a balloon, some lemonade or Sprite, and some baking soda. These are the materials. So, we have our stuff ready. We've got the baking soda inside the balloon and the Sprite here. What we're going to do is we're going to tip the balloon up, the baking soda will fill in, and see if it fills up the balloon. Fingers crossed. 3, 2, 1. Yay! But not as much as the vinegar and baking.
It kind of went up like a cylinder. It wasn't quite a round balloon shape, but it's still.
These are the statements we've made about our experiment and our results. In our experiment, the Sprite and baking soda worked the same as the vinegar, but it was less powerful, so it didn't blow up the balloon as much as it would have with vinegar and baking soda. The balloon blew up an oval shape instead of a sphere. So the balloon blew up the kind of a different shape. It was like this shape instead of this shape. And this is wondering. I wonder what would have happened if we used lemon juice instead of Sprite. Lemon juice is also an acid as well as Sprite, which is similar to lemonade, so it probably still would have worked. For our science experiment, the science that it was based on was chemistry. Chemistry is when you get two things and mix them together to get a reaction. Our reaction was that the Sprite and baking soda blew up the balloon. Most scientists get much bigger reactions, but ours was only small because we used much simpler ingredients. First, we poured the Sprite into the bottle. Next, we tipped the baking soda into the balloon with a spoon. After that, we attached the balloon to the lid bit of the bottle and tipped the balloon up to let the baking soda fall into the Sprite inside the bottle. Then we let go and watched the reaction of our experiment.
We found out that the vinegar and the baking soda worked better than the Sprite and the baking soda because when we did the vinegar, the balloon went nice and big than when we did
found out that vinegar has much more acid than the Sprite has.